Have you ever wondered how some of the world's most iconic brands came into existence? Today we delve into the fascinating origins of the Dorchester Collection, a beacon of luxury in the hospitality sector. Our story begins with Christopher Cowdray, the visionary behind this remarkable collection of luxury hotels. Born and raised in Zimbabwe, then called Rhodesia, Christopher's journey into the hospitality industry was a twist of fate. Initially trained as an accountant, a scholarship to study hospitality in London changed the course of his life. His career in hotel management took him to diverse corners of the globe, from Saudi Arabia to Singapore, Australia, Oman, and the UK. In 1993, he returned to London to take up the post of general manager at the Churchill Hotel, leading a significant rebrand and renovation. Following a successful 6-year tenure as managing director at Claridge's, Christopher joined the Dorchester Hotel as its managing director. At that time, the Dorchester Collection was a group of 5 distinct iconic hotels. Despite being owned by the same entity, they operated independently with no shared vision. After only 2 years at the helm of the Dorchester Hotel, Christopher saw an opportunity to create something unique. He envisioned a unified hotel company, an iconic brand that was more than just a collection of independent hotels. In a bold move, he penned a handwritten note to the company's chairman outlining his vision and handed it to him in the hotel lobby. This marked the genesis of the Dorchester Collection we know today. From that point on, the company expanded, adding 5 more hotels in the UK, France, Italy, UAE, and the US, centralizing systems and processes, and creating a cohesive identity and experience across all properties. Interestingly, rapid growth was never part of Christopher's blueprint. Instead, the Dorchester Collection adopted a more considered approach to expansion, selecting only the most desirable sites in the most sought-after destinations. The company's latest addition, the Lana, is a stunning 30-story tower in Dubai, designed by award-winning architects Foster Plus Partners. They are also currently developing a new hotel in Tokyo, set to open in 2028. Throughout our conversation, Christopher emphasized his deliberate resistance to the allure of rapid expansion. Despite numerous opportunities, the priority was never to dilute the brand for the sake of growth. This commitment to preserving the integrity of the Dorchester Collection is perhaps the secret behind its enduring appeal and success. As we wrap up our journey into the origins of the Dorchester Collection, it's clear that its evolution from a group of individual hotels to an iconic global brand is a testament to the power of vision, the courage to seize opportunities, and the wisdom to grow sustainably.